Stefan Mechanical has been providing quality heating and cooling services to the Hall County, Georgia area since 1997. We are family owned and operated. We are fully licensed and insured and have 15 years of heating, ventilation, and cooling experience. We are NATE North American Technician Excellence certified and A+ rated with the Better Business Bureau. We provide full heating and cooling services for both residential and commercial properties. We offer emergency service, preventive maintenance and tune-up, system monitoring, replacement, conversion, and retrofitting. Stefan Mechanical provides expert service, repair, and replacement on all makes and models. We are Trane dealers, which is the best quality unit on the market. We perform computer-assisted heat load gain calculation, computerized duct design, and the best quality installation on the market. We provide a lifetime warranty on newly installed Trane equipment, while the customer has a preventive maintenance plan with us. We offer free estimates on new equipment replacement. All work is 100% guaranteed. Call us today for all your heating and cooling needs. Please call 678-794-1476.